Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to make a group on Snapchat. So let's get started. Well, first, after getting the application, and as a first step, move to the chat section by tap on this icon. This interface will appear. Now tap on the icon bottom right. A list of all your friends on the app will appear, and to make a group on Snapchat, all you need to do is to tap on New Group, then select the group members from your friends list, and you can chat with up to 100 friends. From here, you can give your group a name. Once you're done, tap on Chat with Group. And like that, you've created the group successfully. In case you want to add more friends, tap on this icon. Then scroll down till you get to Members. Simply tap on it, add friends, then Done. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya!